Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a pretty long time and here I am with a brand new stuff for you guys. It's pretty futuristic. Let's check it out.
A high-vis shooters.
Sway be cooking heat, bitch.
EMotorad. Motherfuckers. Let's unbox it. So here we go. Fuck, I love Disney shit, man. आ रहा है मजा. Pretty sturdy packaging, you know. Whoa, EMotorad. Okay. ये ले बिना तेरे लिए. अब तो ये लग रहा है ये बड़ा भारी पीस है भाई जो उठाने वाला हूँ मैं. बाप रे, मजेदार. I'm pretty much stoked right now to figure out what should I do. Back in a minute. Welcome back. So let's start, unpacking this stuff. Yeah, before that, let me tell you. So once you unbox this, we get, two boxes. एक में pedals वगैरह कुछ है और एक में charger. And then we got this seat, एक side stand. That's it. So मैं इसको अनपैक करना चालू करता हूँ. I'm gonna remove all this, These guys, they really follow a eco-friendly protocol, so they don't give you any, paper manuals and all kind of shit. So you gotta go to their YouTube channel and, look up to the video. I'll link it in the description and also, I'll put it up here. What we say, cards. I just forgot this YouTube thing, man. It's been a pretty long time. Yeah, he's more excited. So guys, meanwhile, huge shout out to Vanilla Heja behind the camera, उसका भी चैनल मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगा. देख लिया करना, मन करेगा तो, नहीं करेगा तो भी देख लेना. So before unpacking, and fixing this thing, let's check out what we got in these boxes. Pedal. Here we have charger. And yup, some tools to fucking fix this. नहीं, ये होता ही है bro. I'm impressed. मतलब ना bro कि the thing is, यही फ्यूचर है ना कि अब हम लोग साइकिल लेने भी स्टोर वगैरह थोड़ी जाएंगे. अब ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करें, घर पे बनाए चलाए. वो जमाना गया पापा लोग वाला. तो सबसे पहले लेट्स फिक्स दैट स्टैंड. एलन की ये आइस लेके घूम रहा. अच्छा हाँ भाई हाँ, आइस ना पूरा ध्यान भटका दे रहा है यार. आजा पास से. कम लेट्स गो टू बी. guys, it's almost done and it's looking pretty dope. Or say, let's fix the pedals. So almost like 95% thing is done. I think all we need to is like fix some lights and all. So this is ready to hit roads, but not now. Let's do it tomorrow morning. So right now I have assembled this bike. So let's see how it runs, you know. यहाँ से चालू. Whoa, bro, shit. Whoa. Whew. So that was pretty fun, guys. This bike is ready. Let's hit the roads. Come on. New day, new whip. Let's go for a ride. I gave this cycle to one of a guy, like he's loving it, I know. Like look at him. Woo!